Okay, so it looks like the driver and the final both went out. It burned that run in two, but before it did that, it took out this transistor, and then took out your power supply. It ain't supposed to do that. That's what happened. Okay, just got through replacing the power supply. Did not have any voltage with the power supply connected to the board. I unsoldered the wires from the board, and I had 12 volts from the power supply. The other one was completely dead. It can probably be repaired, but it's faster to just replace it. Okay, I replaced this transistor. I went up with a better one. It had an 817 in it. I went back with an 827. This is a A1969. I replaced it with another 1969. Okay, I'm getting ready to replace both of your finals now. They're both bad. And once I do that, then I'll take some real thin wire and replace that run. The solder should have kept it from burning the run up, but I think all the solder did was just make it last long enough to take out a whole bunch of other shit. Alright. The two new finals are installed. There's the thin piece of wire I was telling you about. Replacing that burnt run. Okay, I've already told you I've replaced those two transistors. And test it out. What got replaced? This guy. This guy. This transistor. This transistor. The final. The driver. Okay. Turns out all of those were bad. Plus that wire. That was not the wire, but the run that was burnt up. You can still see the brown around that. Okay. I replaced it with that wire. But after I got all of those parts replaced and got it transmitting again, you couldn't control the power from the front panel. It was wide open all the time, no matter where the RF power knob was. That turned out to be these two guys. The two TO92 2SA945 transistors. So there's some of them. Here's the driver and the final. And found out that the final insulator was broken. And that was half of it. I don't know where the other half went. Probably on the floor. Okay, but she's working great now. You know what? You'd probably like to see that. Hang on a second. I'm on channel 20 AM. Got a 100-watt slug on the RMS side. Got a 100-watt slug on the peak side. The peak meters in ×1. Okay, with power turned all the way down. Nope. Sorry about that. Had it on internal for the B&K. We're doing 2 watts with it turned all the way down. Hello, audio 1, 2. You can see the B&K. Audio. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the power up. Still on the AM. I can turn the power up to 10 watts. Audio, hello, audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. That's about 50 watts peak envelope power at 10 watts. Audio, hello, audio, hello. We're reading on that bottom scale on the peak meter on the right. So It's centered up between 40 and 60, so that's about 50 watts PEP. All right, now this is on DC. I'm getting ready to plug the AC back up. I just simply switched over to DC to do the troubleshooting because it's easier for me. Let me hook the AC line back up and we'll run it on AC. Switch is now in the AC position. We're running on AC. Let's do some more checking. Hello audio, audio 1 2, 1 2 audio, audio hello, hello audio, audio 1 2. May not be able to see that. Audio, audio 1 2, 1 2 audio, audio hello, hello audio. Now I can turn the RF power down. I'm going to turn it all the way down to 2 watts. Audio hello, hello audio, audio 1 2, 1 2 audio. And that's what you want. Okay. I'm going to button it up and ship it out.